Hey everyone, I want to take a few minutes today to kind of talk to you about where this channel is heading. Not because anything major is changing dramatically or anything like that, but because I want to be clear about what this channel is about. Now, if you've ever felt like home theater is all about $15,000, $30,000 speakers and setups, or multi-million-dollar setups that just honestly feel completely out of reach, then this video is for you. Now, a quick little backstory about myself. I've been into home theater for more than 25 years now. Wow, that's weird to say. And in all that time, high-end or in-game gear has, well, quite honestly, never even been on my radar. Don't get me wrong, it's fun to look at and I totally get the appeal of it, and a lot of people do, but what's always driven me is getting the most out of what I already have and what I can afford. Now, I do love the process of optimizing a room, dialing in the system from subwoofers to speakers, and also finding gear that punches well above its price point. That doesn't mean I haven't spent time around high-end gear and in-game gear. As some of you may be aware and know, I have been fortunate enough to work as a freelance videographer for channels like Youthman and Audioholics, two of the bigger names in this business when it comes to high-end audio gear and high-end coverage. Now, with Audioholics in particular, I didn't just shoot the video, I also edited the video. I edited their content, and editing means research, diving into specs, learning how things work, how gear works, fact-checking everything. That experience has exposed me to, and still exposes me to, more ultra high-end equipment and high-end gear and endgame gear than I ever expected to handle as I continue to do freelance work for them on a per project basis. So I've seen it, I have heard it, and I have learned from it. And here's the real truth, for me at least. As impressive as that gear is, it frankly just doesn't light me up the same way it does for guys like Michael and Gene. I mean, I really do appreciate the love and passion they bring to home theater and the high-end gear. And as for me though, the real excitement is in helping people make the most out of the gear they already own and can afford. Now, I know you've probably seen me cover a few high-end products here and there on my channel. Things like the Valencia Tuscany Ultimate Luxury Edition theater seats. And I do still have a prior commitment to unbox, set up, and review the Arvolution Player Pro 8K. Now that's something that I had already planned and set up before deciding to really narrow my focus. But those videos are the exception, not the new direction at all. Going forward, this channel is all about the gear that most of us, including myself, can realistically own and afford. Budget and mid-range products that deliver great performance without breaking the bank. So some of you may know my goal has always been to help you get the most out of your home theater, no matter your budget. Whether you're calibrating subs with a mini DSP, whether you're fine-tuning your own speakers, or just learning how to make your setup sound better or the best that it possibly can, well, that's what this channel is here for, and it's why I started the channel to begin with. It's not about chasing the so-called end game. It's about enjoying the gear you already have, learning how to make it perform at its best, and honestly just having fun with the process. This approach that I'm talking about is already resonating with a lot of you guys. I just released my long-awaited updated mini DSP tutorial, and in less than 2 days, it's already closing in on 4,000 views. And that's for an hour-long tutorial that, I mean, I guess you'd call it very niche and very specific. That just tells me that there's a real appetite for clear, practical, down-to-earth content that helps people actually improve their systems. So as I keep leaning into this direction, I'd love your feedback. Like, what budget or mid-range gear do you want me to cover? Like, what parts of your setup are giving you trouble? What are you most interested in? Drop a comment down below. I try to read them all. So if you're someone who wants to get the most out of your home theater without needing a second mortgage, then you're in the right place. Thanks so much for being here, for supporting the channel, and for sticking with me and making this community what it is. I honestly can't wait to show you what's coming next. Thank you so much for sticking around, guys, and I will catch you in the next video.